Welcome back to the workbench. Today I'm taking a look at this. The Academy F104 G Starfighter in 1/72nd scale. Join me as I take a look inside the box and find out what's included in this kit. Hi, I'm Matt and you're watching Model Minutes. Before I start the video, a quick shout out to my patrons. From as little as $1 a month, you can help support the channel and gain exclusive perks and extra content. Thanks for your support. So today I'm taking a look at this 1/72nd scale Academy F104 G Starfighter, which I got for the sum total of £6.75. The outside of the box features a very well drawn image of the aircraft, which is what initially caught my eye. The side of the box features some images of the built and finished kit, which I think is a great way of inspiring you to replicate the results. The other side of the box features a further image and some information in different languages. Inside the box, I'm going to take a look at the paperwork first. As is normal with Academy kit, there's a warranty sheet stating that you must check the included parts before opening the bag so as to ensure you've actually got all the parts. Information regarding the assembly is also present, and that again is multilingual. A hints and tips sheet is also present in the box, again multilingual, but this time featuring images on how to place the decals, some tools that might be handy, and also other products that should be used with this model. Let's take a look at the instructions. On the front of the sheet you get a black and white image of the finished kit. This image is not particularly clear, however. Some information about the actual F104 Starfighter is present, and at the bottom of the sheet you get the painting and decal placement instructions. As you can tell, there's only one decal option included in this kit. Turning over the page, there are 6 steps and look to be reasonably easy to follow. The drawing does not appear to be the clearest, and they seem to be quite busy with quite a few different parts being added in each step. But I'm sure those of you who've got some experience won't have any problems with this. The decals come in a little plastic bag and seem to be up to the usual standard from Academy. As you can see, a reasonable amount of decals are included for this kit. The printing seems to be quite fine, and even certain words are legible. But I suppose only time will tell, and I'll have to see how they actually fix to the model when I come to build them. Let's take a look inside the bag. Two grey plastic sprues are included in the kit. The cockpit canopy comes loose in its own bag. I'm not going to get it out of the bag at the moment, but as you can see it's quite good detail on the canopy frames, and also it's crystal clear. The two sprues containing the main parts of the kit are moulded in quite rigid plastic, and it feels like it would be quite brittle. The detailing on this kit doesn't seem to be particularly pronounced. Although they've used recessed panel lines throughout the model, it's very shallow, and I fear that they will be lost when you start to paint the kit. Inside the aircraft here you can see the cockpit, that's not got any internal detail there. On this sprue we've got the various munitions and drop pods, and as you can see here the arrestor hook started to come away. The pilot is incredibly crude, and he actually looks to be off scale. That seems to be a very tiny pilot for 1/72nd scale. So, in summary, what do we get? We get 2 sprues in a bag, along with just the canopy part, which comes loose. Various information and warning sheets, along with the rather simple instructions, and a set of good decals. So, my thoughts and feelings on this kit. As you can see, I paid £6.75 for it. It looks to be something that will be fun to build, but I do have my reservations about the amount of detail that's on it. But I imagine it probably won't take too long to actually get a fairly reasonable representation of this aircraft. So if you'd like to see me build this kit, let me know in the comments below. All that's left to say is thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again on the workbench next time.